The year 2020 has brought many challenges to the whole world. Introducing Layax, the adjustable face mask created for the challenges of 2020 and beyond. Layax is knitted with a high-quality blend of spandex and nylon, the material used by NASA in crafting the spacesuit. The Layax's materials combine together to provide ultimate comfort and safety. That's not all. Layax is equipped with a specially developed and replaceable active filter that contains 5 layers. With 2 layers of non-woven microfilter activated carbon and N95 filters, Layax can hold airborne pathogens and the smallest particles. The regular masks have become a thing of the past with their ear irritation and constantly uncomfortable feeling on your face. Now with Layax, enjoy the ear-free face support. Regular neck gaiters are too thick to exercise, even in cold weather. That's why Layax comes with microclimate control and sweat-resistant fabric. With Layax, your workouts will never be the same. The special fabric also protects from dust and harmful UV rays caused by sunlight, while in the meantime maintaining the flow of air, keeping you always fresh. Layax is designed to become a part of your wardrobe with a large color variety and universal design. With Layax's simple design, you will discover multiple unique ways of wearing it to stay safe, warm, and always in style. Layax will not only protect and keep your face warm, but also your neck and head. Only now, you